So hi guys, welcome to the next video on this series. So today's video we are going to create a hello world application using a React app that basically prints a hello world. That's it. So okay, just create a new folder, and in here we are going to open the VS Code. So okay. Okay, cool. So let's go to the terminal and we'll create a React app just by npx create a React app, and the name of the app, suppose my app. So it is asking like yes if you want to proceed. So it might take some time. Okay, let's get back when it's over. Okay, so now we are here. You should be seeing this part of the screen. Like already there are some steps that you have to cd into my app, then npm start. So we are going to do just that. So cd my app. Okay, now we are inside my app, and then npm start. So this will open a local host with port 3000, and whatever your default browser is, then it is going to start a new tab there. Yeah, starting the development server. Look for the new tab in your default web browser. So for me it's Google Chrome. And obviously this whole process is the time completely vary on which machine you are running or how is your internet speed. So yes, we are here, and there is some instruction like edit the source slash app.js to get started with. So let's go to that. There is a source folder inside my project directory, and there is app.js. This was the file there, the instruction is on, so we can just edit it, maybe just to hello world, and just save it. Okay, I'm not just saving it yet, I want to show you that how this thing actually work. So let's put this side by side. Okay, and when I save it, it will automatically reload it and see the hello world. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is the simple process we can follow on, but there are a couple of other ways to do this. So this is the simple process we just went through, like through npm start. So there is some npm test also to run the test, and for the production build we can run npm run build, and same with another package manager like yarn. So you can just type yarn test and yarn build. And here is another thing, you can customize your starting the React script. So just like it is like scripts like start, so React script start, we can run it manually, and you can change this also if you want to like write like so npm start, npm run front end. So you can just go like front end, and Then suppose the same script is in here, React script start. So this thing will also have the same output, obviously. So let's stop it and let's start this again. So npm run front end. Oh, sorry, I typed it mistakenly. Okay. So actually my video recorder is on, so that's why it's taking some processing in memory. So it might be a little faster for you. So basically you can customize this React script. So here we go. It is just started a new tab. You can see it here. This is the old one, just leave it. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing is we can do the same thing in other ways also. So create React are basically a package. So we can just go through the npm package manager also. We can create npm init React app and then the project name like my app. So I'm saying because there are other tutorials or any other resources, and they can say, they can also create their React app through all this process. So I thought you should know. Okay, so all these steps to create a React app is already been given in the React official documentation. So you just go to the react.org, then get started and create new React app. So all these steps already been given there. You can take a hint from there, or you can go to the GitHub link of create React app, and all those steps is already given there. So you can take a hint from there also. And I will put a GitHub link to whatever code I am doing in the series in the description. Please look that in this video, so that if you are following me along, you can rectify your mistakes from that GitHub reference. That's it guys for this video, and I think you can go along with the series so that you can be a advanced level React developer in this by following this tutorial. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so that whenever the video comes up and you will get to know first. Thank you guys.